My name is Csaba. I'm the owner and CEO of the project brand in Budapest, and I'm going to organize these events tonight and from the last 3 years. 14 years ago, it was almost the beginning when voice started the parties and the sound system. And when I watch it, I was completely fell in love, and then when I hear it for the first time in action, I just say, no, nothing else from now on, just voice. It's so sharp, not like all the others. I think in every way it can work, and it perfectly sounds amazing. The lows, the bass, the mids and the highs, it's completely amazing for me. The best. Nobody else can copy this kind of styling of the sound. Every people when looking at the stage and they see these red horns, they just always screaming, and the voice is screaming also, everybody's screaming. Adriatic was here for the first time in the Railway Park 2 years ago. They said, we never ever heard the sound like this anymore because of the setup, because of my partner Attila. They did amazing work, and actually everybody was really surprised. They said, come on, this can sound like this? Amazing.